In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the acid and base definitions that chemists use. In 1884, Swedish chemist Svante Arrhenius came up with the Arrhenius theory of acids and bases, and this is probably the easiest one. He defined an acid as something that gave off hydrogen ions in solution. So if you put it into a water-based solution, it would release hydrogen ions. When you look at the formula for an Arrhenius acid, it always starts with a hydrogen. So it might be something like hydrochloric acid. Notice there's a hydrogen in the front. Or nitric acid. Again, notice there's a hydrogen in the front. Even if it's something like acetic acid, it can be written this way with the hydrogen in the front. When you take one of these acids and you put it in water, it comes apart. So if we take something like HCl and we add it to water, what can happen is our HCl comes apart and the H sticks on our water. So we get H3O, which is the hydronium ion, and our chloride is our other product. When you think about hydrogen ions, if they're in a water solution, then they are going to be stuck on a water molecule and your hydrogens become hydroniums. For bases, Arrhenius said that a base is something that releases hydroxide in solution. So when you're trying to figure out if something is a base, you need to look for hydroxide ions on the right-hand side of the formula, like NaOH. That OH is the ion that will come off. Or barium hydroxide has two OHs on it. Again, on the right-hand side, you have OHs. So for acids, you have H's on the left, and for bases, you have OHs on the right. If you put one of these bases into water, what happens is it comes apart into its two ions, and you have the front ion, and you have the OH ion in your solution.